Right, so we're going to use a comparison test to determine if this improper integral converges or diverges. So one line of attack might be to try something like this. You might say, okay, well, let's see, square root x is less than root x plus e to the 3x. And so that means that 1 over root x plus e to the 3x is less than 1 over root x. Now taking integrals 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. We see this is a p integral here, right? This is the p integral. P integral. And square root of x is x to the 1/2. But there's a problem here, and this doesn't work, right? Here, because p is equal to 1/2, which is less than 1. Less than or equal to 1. Remember, that diverges, right? So this thing diverges. Now, is there anything that's, now you go to these comparison tests, right? Remember, you have smaller than convergent says convergent. Bigger than divergent means divergent. But smaller than divergent tells you nothing. This guy is divergent. So smaller than divergent tells you nothing. And so we have nothing yet. So that tells me that maybe I need to rethink this a little bit. All right, so what's another way I could go about this? Well, instead of putting the x, root x there, I could put e to the 3x. And then now we have, again, we have 1 over root x plus e to the 3x is less than 1 over e to the 3x. Improper integral now we're smaller than this thing. This thing isn't a p integral. This thing we'll have to evaluate. So let's see. We could write this as e to the negative 3x. So let's see. This thing is going, we'll call, so 1 to infinity e to the negative 3x dx. This is the limit as r approaches infinity, integral 1 to r e to the negative 3x dx. We have 1 over negative 3. If you could use a u substitution, u equals negative 3x. We'll evaluate from 1 to r. Think about what's going to happen here, right? This is this is 1 over e to the 3x. As r gets large, that's going to go to 0. And so this is going to converge. This converges. So this guy converges. This thing, well, let's see, what will we get? And then we'll get, this thing will be a number. So this guy converges. Now we're smaller than convergent, so we're convergent.